Hello, my name is Jerome, and welcome to my RC Construction YouTube channel. This video is talking about my Lesu 850K bulldozer. Yesterday, I made a video about getting grease on all of these needle bearings on the outside, which is right under this cover of this planetary gear assembly. Took me over 2 to 3 hours to disassemble, remove this, take everything apart to get grease on those. When I went back to my computer to edit the video, I got a comment from Denny Bob of Denny Bob's Construction YouTube channel. That guy has a lot of RC construction equipment. And he told me, which is true, there are generally two. This dozer has 3 holes in here. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 holes allow access to those needle bearings. They don't hold this cover on. He said he takes a syringe, and I have a syringe here, which actually this syringe comes from a ink refill kit for my computer. But he says he fills the syringe with grease, sticks it in the hole, and just pushes grease in there and just keep pushing it in until it comes out of another hole. Spin the wheel for a while and then repeat the process. And that's how he gets his rear hubs needle bearings greased up. And then once that's done, you just put the screws back in and you're done. So I just wanted to add this updated quick part 3 to greasing up these bearings. I don't think that greases the planetary gears on the inside, but it's definitely a direct path to the outer needle bearings on this to get grease to them. So you can grease yours up in 5 minutes instead of 3 hours. I like to thank Denny and everybody who comes into the comments and give me a lot of tips and pointers, because I learn a lot from that, and I try to share what I learn with the rest of you in the community. So that's all for this video. Feel free to click like. Any questions, put them in the comments, and I will talk to you later. Peace.